Easy peach cobbler recipe. Nothing says comfort food quite like a warm peach cobbler fresh out of the oven. This recipe is simple, delicious, and can be made with canned or fresh peaches. Top it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate dessert. Ingredients. For the filling, 2 cans of peaches drained, or use fresh peaches. 1 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon corn flour, cornstarch. For the topping dough, 1 cup all-purpose flour, ½ cup ground almonds, almond flour, ½ cup sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 150 g butter, softened, 1 cup milk. Instructions. Prepare the peaches. In a baking dish, add the drained peaches. Sprinkle 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour over them. Mix gently and set aside. Make the dough topping. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, ground almonds, sugar, and baking powder. Add butter and mix with clean hands until the mixture turns crumbly. Pour in the milk and stir until you get a smooth, thick batter. Assemble the cobbler. Spread the dough mixture evenly over the peaches in the baking dish. Bake. Place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is golden brown. Serve. Let it cool slightly, then serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Tip. If you're using fresh peaches, peel and slice about 5 to 6 ripe peaches and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar while cooking them down in a pan for 5 minutes before baking.